Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am again on the floor laying down my towel because in today's video I am going to show you how I place my shelving units on my wall. These are the shelves, these are the black shelves that I got from IKEA, of course, and I'm going to show you how I put them up in my craft room with very limited supplies. So it comes with this explanation that made no sense to me, but as you continue to watch, you will see why that became important. It tells me that I'm going to need this instrument. I don't have all that in there. It shows how the items that you need. It says that you only have 2 screwdrivers and this one piece that goes on the wall. That also this instrument that I don't own. I guess it was very important for me to have, but I don't have it, and I am going to show you how I was able to put them up without all these instruments. All I have is my handy dandy drill that I bought from IKEA, and this is what I have, and I am also going to use my screwdriver also I got from IKEA, a hammer, washi tape, yes, washi tape, and a pencil because it comes very handy sometimes when you don't have all your instruments. So here we go. I am just opening up my shelf, and this is how I want my shelf. I'm just eyeballing everything because I don't have all these instruments, fancy stuff that they have, but whatever. I'm going to use what I have, and I'm going to show you how I did it with what I have. Okay, so now I know how high I want it. I have this piece that it comes with. It's smaller than my shelf, so I have to be very careful to measure it very properly. So I put the washi tape right above my desk where I want my first shelf. So now I know the length of it. I'm going to take that middle piece and I am going to make sure that it lines up very well. Again, I'm just eyeballing it, and I'm going to use my pen to make the little marks on it because it only comes with 2 screws. Yes, and of course, as I'm here, I'm like, oh my God, it only comes with these 2, but it has all these holes. What am I going to do? It clearly states in the instruction that it is not included. So I had to go to Lowe's and I bought me these screws. It only cost me maybe $3. I bought 10 of them. It comes with the screws and these blue thingings that apparently secure them onto the wall. And I guess this is what they meant on that first page. So of course I'm going to cover my furniture because I already built my desk. I will link that video down below. I'm going to put all my items on here because I will be working above my desk. So I just bought some items in Lowe's just in case I needed more stuff. I see that it has to line up with these holes in there, and it has to be very squarely put on the wall. I'm not even explaining that right. So I'm not a builder, but I marked my wall and that's where my hole is. Oops, I just realized that it was in Portuguese, and I'm going to show you how it says in English that is not included. But who reads these things, Again, I'm making the mistakes so that you don't have to. Okay, so it comes with 2 screws, but you have to have more than 2, and you have to buy them separately. All right, so just make sure that those holes are looking down as the picture. I love how they dumbify everything for you. All right, so I am placing this over my washi tape. I'm making sure that the screws fit the hole that they have on there, and they do. And here we are at the point of no return. Oh my God. Yep, I did that. Here's my hole. Now I have to place that blue thing, a cover, I guess, and you hammer that down, and I guess this is what's gonna hold the screwdriver onto the wall. Just hammer that up, and that is just 1 of 5. Here we are. Just make sure that it's flattened on the wall. And now, since I already placed those marks on my washi tape, I am going to do my holes right on top of the washi where I marked it. Again, this is 3 of 5. Yeah, oh wow. Yeah, I thought I was gonna really mess up the wall, but I didn't. All right, so you put your holes in there, and then what I'll do, I'll remove my washi tape because I only use the washi to make a straight line. You're gonna hammer these things in, and what I would recommend, just buy more than what you need just in case you mess up any of them, you have extra ones. So now you're gonna screw your bar on the wall. Yep. Here you see me being scared because I was like, oh my God, if I mess this up, it's going to be messed up really, really, really badly. Then it shows that you have to put the screwdrivers underneath. These are the two screwdrivers that the set comes with. So you screw that on to secure that metal part to your shelf. And ta-da! Then what I did, I placed my washi tape at the height of how I wanted it, just to know where I was gonna place the other bar, because I just wanted to put cute stuff on my shelves, and that's how I did it. I didn't make a mess. I didn't mess up the wall. And here they are. I am so happy. All right. All right, guys. So, okay, and this is what it looks like for now. If you have, I usually post more pictures in my Instagram account. Again, I am not a builder. I'm just a girl just like you, trying to make things the easier way I know how. All right, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me your comments down below. Have you built anything? Have you made mistakes like I have? Let me know. All right, guys, so this is my Instagram account. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.